Here I have UMIDIGI F1, and today I'm going to show you how to enter Fastboot Mode on this device. So first of all, you have to turn your device off, and after it turns off completely, you have to hold down combination of keys, power key and volume up at the same time like this. After you enter this kind of menu, here you can use volume up key to navigate through the menu and volume down to select options, and you have to select the second option, Fastboot Mode. And after that you will enter Fastboot Mode. The small letters here saying Fastboot Mode, which is the proof that we are in the Fastboot Mode. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.